Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 14 July 2018, 03 of hour, 54 of minute and 19 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how much does it cost to install a fire alarm system? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how much does it cost to install a fire alarm system. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how much does it cost to install a fire alarm system. As each installation is custom tailored, costs will vary by location. In general, you can expect to spend up to $2 per square foot for new construction and $4 to $10 per foot for retrofitting an existing facility. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.